In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 Under Desk Treadmills available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills. The 5th product on our list is the UMAY. This Under Desk Treadmill is one of the cheapest you can get in the market. However, this does not in any way undermine this as a quality product, as it still offers all the useful qualities a good treadmill should have. The UMAY has a folding size of 53.74 inches, making it a perfect space saver. You can put it under the desk, bed, or your working table. Its 6 different speed options range from 0 miles per hour to a maximum of 4 miles per hour. This allows you to exercise based on your physical condition. You can gently jog to lose weight and slow it down to walk after a meal. We like that this treadmill will not disturb anybody while it works. It runs on a quiet 1.5 horsepower motor, and its running surface noise cushioning cancels the sound of your footfalls, making it a perfect treadmill for the home or office. The maximum user weight for UMAY is 198 pounds, and its shock-absorbing design allows you to walk or jog without damaging your knees or ankles. For an effective workout session, this treadmill includes 12 programs that you can exercise with. It has an enlarged running platform of 41 by 16 inches, making your workout a comfortable one. With its SPAX app, you can connect to a coach and receive advice on the best way to use this product. This makes your workout far more efficient. Furthermore, this machine includes a lightweight remote control that effortlessly puts you in charge of how you exercise. Lastly, you can see your workout session's speed, distance, and time with its clear LED display. Its pros are: it has a double wheel design for easy mobility, it has an emergency brake button for safety, and its sturdy build offers durability. However, it does not support intense running. The UMAY treadmill is suitable for anyone looking for an affordable under-desk treadmill for light exercise. Up next in 4th place is the Goplus 2-in-1. The Goplus is a 2-in-1 versatile treadmill designed to meet your different sport needs. It is 2-in-1 because it serves as an under-desk walking machine when the riser is folded, and you're moving at a speed of 1 to 4 miles per hour. It can serve as a running machine when the handrail is raised. With this device, you will surely meet your fitness goal. The Goplus is armed with the powerful ultra-quiet 2.25 horsepower motor, which allows you to walk or run without disturbing others. This makes it great for office and home use. What's more, thanks to its sturdy and steel frame, the Goplus offers outstanding durability. It has a 5-layer non-slip running belt, and amongst these layers is a sound insulation layer and a shock-absorbing layer. The sound insulation layer ensures a quieter workout session, while the shock-absorbing layer provides effective cushioning for your back joints, muscles, knees, and ankles. Its non-slip running belt features a spacious running area of 40 by 16 inches for a safer and superior running experience. We liked that this treadmill has a music speaker that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. This means you can play your favorite song while you exercise and work. Meanwhile, its phone holder gives you easy access to your phone and allows you to watch workout videos while you run. Furthermore, it includes a remote control. With this remote, you can conveniently adjust the speed of movement. We think the Goplus treadmill is definitely worth the investment. Its pros are: it shows workout data via its LED display, it has a smart app that records data, and its compact design ensures easy storage. However, it's a bit fiddly to set up when you want to use it. The Goplus 2-in-1 treadmill is suitable for anyone looking for a treadmill that offers versatility. Still haven't found an under-desk treadmill that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Goyouth 2-in-1. The Goyouth 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill is a motorized corded electric exercise equipment system that is compact and portable. Like the previous entry on our list, it boasts a powerful and quiet 2.25 horsepower motor engine. This makes it the perfect treadmill for running or walking in the comfort of your home or office. Its adjustable speed levels go from 0.5 to 6 miles per hour. Therefore, you can jog, run, or walk at a pace that suits your physical condition. The Goyouth has a robust and durable construction. It is built with an alloy frame, ABS plastic parts, and a multi-layer shield design. The multi-layer design is for shock absorption and noise reduction, making your running more quiet, safe, and comfortable. With its non-slip rubber belt, you are also sure not to fall while running on its 15.75 by 41.34-inch running area. For an efficient workout, there are 12 exercise programs you can choose from. These exercise programs will improve your cardiovascular fitness, boost your health, and burn fat. Furthermore, the Goyouth includes a wireless remote control that lets you adjust your running speed. It also has a malfunction LED display that monitors your progress in real time and keeps your movement data at a glance. Lastly, we like that you can play music while running using its music speaker that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. Its pros are, its built-in transport wheels allow easy transportation. It has a foldable design for easy storage, and it does not need any form of installation. However, its cons are, there is no support rod available, and it has no fitness app included. The Goyouth 2-in-1 treadmill is ideal for anyone looking for a simple but smart under-desk treadmill. The second product on our list is the ANCHEER 2-in-1. This is another treadmill that lets you walk, run, or jog from the comfort of your home or office. This treadmill is a bit more user-friendly than others reviewed in this video because it has two very efficient and specific modes. It can serve as a regular treadmill running at a speed of 1 to 7.5 miles per hour when the handrail is raised. Or you can place it under the desk and enjoy walking at a speed of 1 to 4 miles per hour. Its 2.25 horsepower motor delivers a good workout session, operates quietly, and will not disturb others when in use. For a more silent and comfortable workout, the ANCHEER is equipped with a desk cushioning mechanism and an advanced shock-absorbing system that sees its 5-layer compressed tread belt absorb impacts to protect your knees and ankles. The non-slip tread belt has a wide running surface of 40 by 16 inches. With this, you can run at full speed without any worries of slipping off the edge. This treadmill includes 12 preset workout programs you can choose from to reach your fitness goals. And apart from the control buttons on the treadmill, you can use its remote to adjust your running speed or choose any program you want. Lastly, the ANCHEER has an LCD screen that lets you monitor the time, distance, speed, heart rate, and calories burned during your workout session. Its pros are, it has a fitness app, its ergonomic build makes for easy storage, and it is effortless to set up. However, some people complained that the motor is not powerful enough. The ANCHEER treadmill is suitable for anyone looking for a multi-purpose under-desk treadmill. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top under-desk treadmill is the Rhythm Fun. Buying an under-desk treadmill for home and office use is a huge step towards staying fit and healthy. It is quite a hassle to choose the one that will meet your sports needs, and that is where the Rhythm Fun comes in. This powerful treadmill runs on a reliable direct current motor. It saves energy and prevents you from falling due to forced or sudden speed changes. Unlike other treadmills, it has a 7-layer elastic running platform. These 7 layers include the shock-absorbing layer, a soundproof layer, and a non-slip water-resistant surface. They combine their unique functions to deliver a safe, quiet, and comfortable workout session. Its large running belt of 28 inches ensures you can run at full speed without watching your feet. And its modern LED display lets you track your workout time, distance, speed, and calories burned at a glance. What's more, we like that the Rhythm includes a smart remote control that puts you in charge of your workout session with a range of intuitive control buttons. We also appreciate that it has a special workout app that records your workout data. This app lets you customize your own workout program and connect to other users for an efficient and fun-filled workout session. Furthermore, maintaining this machine is easy. Unlike other treadmills, it uses an auto-oiling system. Simply add the lubricant into the oiling position to prolong the life of the treadmill. Overall, this is a very well-made unit ideal for keeping you fit while you work. Its pros are, it has a modern and stylish design, no installation is required, and it is easy to store and transport. However, this treadmill has no incline options. The Rhythm treadmill is suitable for anyone who wants a long-lasting under-desk treadmill with a stylish and practical design. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.